Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nuridina binti Mazlan and my metric number is 301012. In this video, I would like to explain about the data analytics in auditing. What is data analytics in auditing? The auditing process of reviewing a large amount of financial and operational data to identify any patterns, trends, anomalies, or risks that could affect the audit is termed a data analytics audit. There are 4 types, including descriptive, which is what happened, diagnostic, why it happened, predictive, what might happen, and prescriptive, what action to take. In the planning phase, auditors use data analytics to evaluate risk. In the fieldwork phase, to test entire sets of data, and at the end of the reporting period, to inform decision making and give more insight. So why auditors use data analytics? The data analytics help auditors to make their work accurate and reliable. Among the significant advantages is the possibility of reviewing 100% of the transaction as opposed to using conventional sampling techniques. This comprehensive coverage enhances the possibility of identifying fraud or unusual trends or error at the beginning of the audit process. Also, data analytics make the auditor evaluate risk better as the areas that need more attention are identified, and it makes the audit more true and efficient. So, one of the best illustrations of data analytics at work can be attributed to KPMG, which is one of the big 4 accounting firms. KPMG has taken the use of advanced analytics to the next level with the ability to analyze large volume of journal entry and give the auditors as opportunity to sell all the unusual or high risk transaction very quickly. With the opportunities to analyze the patterns and relationship in the data, they are able to identify anomalies which may signal fraud or error. The identified risk area can be found in a more accurate and quick way, and the overall completing of the audit process will be better and will be completed with fewer resources. The ISA 315 requirements are covered by data analytics, given that the objective of this ISA relate to a better understanding of the entity and its environment and internal control. Through analytics, auditors are able to understand more about the business process and where the risks lie. This assists in determining the assessment of the effectiveness of the internal control and the possible area of the misstatement. It also helps auditors in making yet improved judgment during risk assessment, as it is stipulated that they should one of the conditions of ISA 315. So, let's move to the benefit, which is assist in identifying hidden risks that ordinary techniques might otherwise fail to detect. Traditional audit procedure may overlook unusual patterns or outliers due to limitation in sample size or manual review. Data analytics can scan full population of data and apply predictive models or visual analytics to uncover hidden risks such as fraud, indicators, control weaknesses, or unusual transactions. This strengthens the auditor's ability to assess risk accurately and respond appropriately. Second is enhance the audit quality with more precise, insightful information. Data analytics allow auditors to analyze entire dataset instead of relying solely on sampling techniques. This results in a more comprehensive understanding of the client's financial activities. By identifying trends, anomalies, and patterns across large volumes of transactions, auditors can make more accurate and informed judgment. This leads to higher audit quality and stronger assurance for stakeholders. Thirdly, eliminates the time-consuming manual reviews of data. Manual data analysis can be labor-intensive and prone to human error. With data analytics, routine tasks such as matching invoice, reconciling balances, or identifying duplicate transactions can be automated. This significantly reduces the time required for data review, allowing auditors to allocate more time to critical thinking, risk assessment, and professional judgment. thereby improving both efficiency and effectiveness. In data analytics, in auditing also have a few challenges, which is auditors must to ensure that the client's data, especially sensitive financial or personal information, is securely handled during the audit process. This aligns with ethical requirement in auditing standard. For example, in ISA 200 on professional skepticism and ISA 500 on audit evidence require the auditors to maintain the confidentiality and data integrity. For the second one is skills and competence of audit personnel, which is auditing standards such as ISA 220 quality control for an audit of financial statement emphasize the need for auditors to possess the necessary competence. The increasing using of data analytics tools require auditors to be trained in both technology and how to interpret analytical outputs correctly. And the third is cost of implementation. Although not explicitly addressed in ISA, the practical application of standard is challenged by the high cost of implementing advanced analytics tools. Small and medium practice may struggle to adopt such tools, potentially leading to inconsistency in audit quality across firms. The future of audit is shifting towards the increased application of real-time data analytics, so that auditors can audit more frequently and in less time, reacting to risks as artificial intelligence AI may be integrated. Analytics will automatically detect abnormal transactions and forecast other problems that might arise. Continuous auditing is also possible through this change, with systems being watched in real time as opposed to some periodic schedule-based system. This makes auditors more timely, effective, and informative. In conclusion, to summarize, data analytics is crucial in improving audit quality as it provides more insight, quicker identification of risk, and improved results. This is compatible with practices such as auditing standard ISA 315, which are easier to understand the environment and controls of the client. Data analytics is creating a more efficient and forward-thinking audit practice by enhancing efficiency and limiting the need to use manual effort. I think that's all for me for this video. Thank you.